Hello and welcome. Today we will study lists in HTML. We have two types of list: ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list and unordered list. Okay, so let us put this as a comment that browser will does not display this in our page. So order list is started with what? With OL tag, and unordered list is started with the UL tag, and both lists use what? LI element, which is embedded inside either the OL or UL list or tag. Then LI is actually what? Actually the list of item, means a single item can be put it inside the list. It is actually list item. So let's see how we can create the unordered and ordered list. Okay, closing tag of the OL, and now add the items to what? To the list. Okay, Control C, paste it. See, apple, orange, burger and yogurt. Okay, this is what? This is actually an ordered list. This is OL tag and the items of the list added to the ordered list. Let us refresh the page and see what? Apple, orange, burger and yogurt. So how the unordered list will be generated? Unordered list. Okay, start with the UL tag, close the UL tag and type the lists. Let me paste the list. You can add many things like car, motorcycle, hope it's correct, laptop, projector. Okay, save it and go to the browser, refresh the page. This is what? This is ordered list and this is unordered list. You see the example of the lists in supermarket, grocery list of items. In restaurant menu there is different types of the list, either order or unordered lists.